Happy Rajo 2024 to all Orisa E's fan. Since it is Rajo 2024, I will give you specialties, and that is Rajo series. Now start the series. Now let's start decorating.
12 o'clock midnight.
Done. Now let's invite all of my friends.
Wow, the park is so beautiful.
Thanks.
Go, go, go. Anime versus anime versus anime versus anime versus the stage is bright. Crunchyroll's rolling, taking flight. Speeding ahead, breaking free. In y'all can stand, you and me. Chaos reigns, trails ablaze. Anime versus in this dazzling maze. UK, USA, leading strong. Mexico's rhythm, join the song. Switzerland's peace, steady and bright. Country boats unite, shining light. Across dimensions we thrive. Anime versus, let's revive. So let's persist, never slow. This journey our spirits grow. With anime versus leading the way. Every single moment, come what may, come what may. Go, 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 go. Anime versus.
They gone and played also. Part 2 coming on June 15th, 2024. Next part will be 4 minutes long, so next part of school series will upload if I hit any of one goal described in previous school series. Bye guys.
Subscribe if you want to grow quicker on YouTube.